Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete your profile picture in the TikTok app. Friends, please put your likes, be sure to write comments at the end of the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. And first of all, open any web browser on your phone that you feel comfortable with. After that, type the combination you see in the search box and hit search. Now go to the Images section and open the image from Wikipedia. Next, click on the image and hold, and then click Save to Photo. Now this is the deleted profile photo image. It will be saved to your gallery. Next, go to the TikTok app. In the bottom right corner, click on your profile and then tap Change Profile. Then change photo. Then select photo. And now select the photo that you downloaded from your web browser. And now click Save. And now you can go back. As you can see, the profile photo has been changed as if it was deleted. Why you had to go to the web browser? Because unfortunately, TikTok doesn't have a feature like delete profile picture to make it look like this. To do this, it is advisable to download the picture from the web browser, as we did with you, so that then it can be installed simply. Friends, this is the way you can delete your profile picture in TikTok app. I really hope this video was helpful for you. Write comments and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.